So today, no, the grade 8 will perform making sandwich, no? Again, unsa may pasunod sa paghimo og sandwich?
Base, bread, protein, veggies.
Okay, no? Base, which is the bread, then spread, and then protein and veggies. Question, nganong spread ang sunod sa bread?
Para matapos.
Okay, very good. Hey, good afternoon, class. And for this group, I'm going to ask, give an examples of protein.
Hotdog, meat, pork, cheese, and ham.
Wow, that's good. Great job. Okay, with this group, I'm going to ask about the vegetables, right? Okay, what are some of the example of the vegetables that are we going to use in preparing sandwich?
Lettuce, tomato, and pepino.
Okay, no? I'm going to ask another question. What do you think are some of the shapes in preparing sandwich? Shapes in preparing sandwich? Circle. What's the other?
Then triangle.
Okay. Thank you. We are now going to decide who's the winner for today, right? Okay, no? It seems nga murag pareho mong mga lagmi inyong kuan, inyong sandwich nga prepare. Ato na lang ning daugon sa ginayon nga presentation, no? Based ato nakita ang igawas nga mananaog sa presentation, no? Sa inyong group o sa inyong kwansa mauni siya, no? Congratulations to this one. A round of applause, please.